Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Security section. In it, you need to click on App Lock and choose Enable. Then tap on the best option for you. You can use lock screen password to unlock your apps as well, or select Custom PIN. I will go with Custom PIN, so I have to click on it and create it. Then repeat it in order to confirm it. And finally, answer this security question. If you don't like it, just click on it and tap on one of those. And if you don't like any of them, click on the question and tap on Custom Question. Then create your own. Now choose OK in the pop-up and remember to answer it correctly below. Now choose Finish at the bottom right corner. Finally, you can click on the sorters next to apps that you wish to lock, in my case, App Gallery. So now when I click on Home button and try to access App Gallery app, I can see that PIN is now required. If you wish to disable app lock from one of your apps, go into the same settings, enter your login method, and tap on the same No Blue sweater. In order to disable app lock completely though, you need to go back again, but this time select this blue sweater next to app lock feature and choose Disable in the pop-up. Then enter your login method, and now it's disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!